In 2023 and in 2026, smoke from Canadian wildfires turned the sky orange over New York and southern Ontario. Yet, the nearest fire was more than 1,000 kilometers away. Every wildfire map I found would have told these people they were safe, and technically they were because there was no fire near them, but they couldn't breathe the air. So I made downwind. Every dot you see is a fire happening right now. It's all being pulled from 3 NASA satellites and refreshed every 10 minutes. Color signifies the intensity, with small bushfires being in yellow and catastrophic ones being in dark red. The whole server is being stored in memory, which means panning around is instant. You can search for a country and it projects where those fires are heading using real wind forecast data. And you can increase the accuracy using this slider. But a single line implies the forecast is exact, and let's be honest, it never is. So this toggle reruns the whole projection 32 times within the wind's margin of error, and it does this by using the Monte Carlo algorithm. The cyan blob shows where the fire could still reach, and wider cones mean the fire could go in many different directions, and tighter cones mean the wind is more exact. Because I would rather show you a honest blob than a confident line that is wrong. And real quick, I'm gonna take you on a detour because I was stuck on this problem for a few days. So you're standing outside looking up at the sun, and it's so easy to see. But when clouds are between you and the sun, it's significantly harder to see it. Now flip it upside down, where you become the satellite, the cloud becomes the smoke, and the sun becomes the fire. Very quickly, you realize you can't see the fire because the smoke is blocking you. And this is a problem because satellites find fires by looking for heat. But if the fires create so much smoke that satellites can't see through it, to them there's just no fire. And I found this out by comparing my map to the government map, and just knowing that there has been wildfires recently. So the fix was using data from Natural Resources Canada to verify where the fires actually are. So after these changes, Canada went from this to this, and aligned with the government's data. Which brings me back to the reason I built this. You can circle any region and it will find every fire inside reading the measured PM2.5 data. Then it will display where the smoke is expected to go using wind forecasts. The PM is darkest where it's most dangerous and fades out as it dilutes back to normal. And finally, to showcase the question this whole project was built around: am I safe? You can type an address and the app will do two things. It uses the Monte Carlo algorithm to predict where every fire will travel around your location. It then calculates the air quality around your house, giving you the most precise data possible. With these combined, you will know if you are safe or not. Because you can be perfectly safe from flames, but breathing something you should not. Now, there still are a lot more features in here. 7-day replay anywhere on Earth, a biggest flame leaderboard, click any fire for more details, export any view as an image, along with many other config options to improve user experience. But the one thing I want you to take away is this: many fire maps tells you where the fire is actively burning. Downwind tells you where the fire is going and who's going to be breathing it in.